I'm going to show you how to solve a system using matrices. And the first thing we want to do is translate this into a matrix equation. In the first matrix are going to go the coefficients. And in the first equation, 2 is in front of x and -1 is in front of y. In the second equation, 3 is in front of x and 4 is in front of y. Next come the variables. And the variables in this equation are x and y. And that is equal to what I call the answers, which are 9 and -14. These two things are saying the same thing, one in matrices, one in regular equations. To solve a matrix equation, you are going to use what is called an inverse. You are going to take the coefficient equation, coefficient matrix, and take the inverse of it. That is a button in our calculator that we're going to use in a second, and multiply it by the answer matrix, 9, -14. So let's pull out the calculator and I'll show you how this works. Notice that there is a matrix button, oh it just disappeared, right in about that spot if I bring it up again. Yeah. And so what you're going to do is you're going to hit second matrix, and to put information into your matrices you're going to go over to edit and go in there. This first matrix over here is a 2 by 2 matrix, the coefficient matrix, so that's actually set up exactly how I want it. So I'm going to hit enter until I go to the first spot and change it to 2, -1, and 3, 4. So now that matrix is in there. I can go back into matrix and go over to edit again and down to the next matrix. And this one is conveniently the right size. If yours isn't, change it to a 2 by 1, 2 rows, 1 column. And this one needs to be 9, and don't forget -14. Once your matrices are in there, you need to quit out of the matrix area, second mode, but then go right back in there. And this time we're going to stay in the names column, and we are going to grab matrix A, hit the inverse key, x to the -1, and multiply it, go back into matrix, grab matrix B while in the names column, A inverse times B, and hit enter, and we get our answer of 2, -5. So this is equal to 2, -5, which translates to these two equations cross when x is 2 and y is -5 at the point 2, -5.